Hi guys, this is a quick video about the upper glove box light not turning off on a 1500 ramp. So what ended up happening in this case is that this cutoff switch fell off its position. So this is what happens when you open the glove box. Then when you close it, it should toggle that switch in order to cut power to this lamp. So this just got out of its place. In order to take it out, you have to take the center dash out, and you got to loosen the lower glove box, and then you can pull this one out. It's a fairly easy job. You also have to take the vent, because there's a screw that goes in here. You could probably find a video on how to do that. I cannot, but yeah, that's your problem. If this didn't fall out, you probably need to replace it. I do not have the part number, and it doesn't come with the new upper glove box. I'll try to look at the part number. If not, you can call the dealership and they can tell you more about it. But yeah, there's the problem. So here's the part number. It's number 3. That's your part number right there. In order to remove the dash, this is what you gotta do. Center bezel. You can pause through this video. I cannot post the full link for this. Go back. Then how to remove the lower glove box. That is the installation. And that should be the step. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you got the information that you needed, and I'll see you in the next video.